might need a pimp. Bitch, fuck your brother, we gon' stamp him. If we catch him, we gon' bag him. Look, send a bitch like it was mad, and we got that one on count. So my little brother, that's been like a ceiling fan. Them case cops sound like a band, it ain't no changing who I am. Bitch, I can rap, I flip a band. We certified with slanging nine like I can Tina on the pot. I let that dope up, nigga look back, he had asked me if I fought. That brother hit and then he drop. Nigga, pick your partner up. This little hoe, she got me fucked up, she done spilled the double cup. I'm on my top, might just go live and drop the low, let's focus on it. 60 ball under the 6 inch, it been shaped just like a butt. If you get caught, then take a lick. I heard they slapped him with that bitch. Red rum be on my mental, full of perp, ain't sipping tricks. How about like bitch, take this? Ain't no running from a switch. Dick in his hand, they easy kill. This nigga took off on his bitch. They claim they beefing with the kid, with bitch don't act like it ain't pressure. Way before the baby Joe was slinging fire, we bush your brother. Nigga, fuck you and your buddy. You don't contain to my struggle. And I can hit a moving target while on feet, that's on my cousin. I'm taking off, ain't no discussion. Nigga mad cause he got jacked. If that was me, then I was creeping around your house to get it back. Niggas bitches act like hoes and I can't stand them, that shit whack. Nigga said something about my cousin in the week, that bitch got clapped. Round this way it's murder business. We be the ones who pull a killer. And I know this shit out of hand cause they don't want me round the chillin'. Back to back, we purging niggas, standing bang when I be hitting. If you need it, then we got it. AR Drake on my little brothers, let's spin like a ceiling fan. Them case cops sound like a band, it ain't no changing who I am. Bitch, I can rap, I flip a band. We certified with slanging nine like I can Tina on the pot. I lit that dope up, nigga look back, he had asked me if I fought. That brother hit and then he drop. Nigga, pick your partner up. And this little hoe, she got me fucked up, she done spilled my double cup. I'm on my top, might just go live and drop the low, let's fuck with something. 60 ball under the 6 inch, it been shaped just like a butt.